Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another great review. This is from SecureDrive.com. It's the SecureDrive KP. It's a hardware encrypted external portable drive. Pretty interesting. User authentication via an onboard keypad that's built right into the drive for you, and it's completely software free. You plug it in, you enter your codes, and away you go. And it keeps all your stuff nice and safe and secure because company secrets, different things you want to keep private, you can use on this drive. And in a world where there's so much stuff where people are trying to gain access to your information and stuff, this, of course, is a great way to protect it. It's fairly slim, depending upon which model you get. The 1 TB sizes through some of the smaller TB sizes are 12.5 millimeters. For some of the big 5 TB, those are 20.5 millimeters. It's easy to fit in your pocket, carry wherever you want to take and go. It's got FIPS 140-2 level 3 validated security. It's got the award-winning Red Dot 2019 award winner. These guys make some really good products over the years. It's got hardware encryption of AES 256-bit XTS, OS independent, works across and with any OS or devices. Its user authentication is on the onboard keyboard. It's got an administrative user mode, read-only mode, auto lock. You can totally set everything up through the keypad. 2-year limited warranty that this thing comes in, and you can get this in 1 TB, 2 TB, 5 TB, 250 gigabytes, 500 gigabytes. You can also get it with an SDD or HDD, so you can get 1 TB in SDD or HDD, 2 TB in SSD or HDD, and 4 TB in an SDD, 8 TB in an SDT as well. So pretty interesting that way, and cool the different things they have on it. It runs on USB 3.0 and 2.0 compatible, so it's going to transfer your files at that speed, if you will. And strong password, 7 to 15 characters, alphanumeric, Microsoft, iOS, Android, Linux, Chrome, thin clients, pretty much will work with just about anything. You plug it in, put in your codes, and away you go. I highly recommend it from the testing we did, and we certainly liked it. And the app's pretty cool too if you get a chance to check out the app for some of their Bluetooth drives that they have that will unlock through Bluetooth that don't have a keypad on them. Anyway, I highly recommend it. Go to SecureDrive.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you.